Good afternoon, everyone. How's everybody doing? Excited? This kid is super excited. I can tell. How about the rest of you? I got twists in my cord. There we go. Everybody good? Excellent. Way out, right? 75-person solid plane going on. Just throw it in, yeah, it's solid plane. Salmons are counted. My name is Steve. I'll be providing a little information around the lake. Hope you ask any questions. When you go to the visitor center there in town, you're talking to somebody. Just go. Shaped. The only one with its head in the flats, that's Mount Pueblo. That's the highest mountain on the International Peace Park, 10,500 feet. We're only at 4,200. So even though 10.5 is not that high as far as mountains go, vertical relief, when you're talking vertical relief from here to there, 6,200 feet above your head, that's a ton of relief. You won't find that in many places other than Alaska. In fact, that North Base is the highest vertical rise in the lower 48. All over vertical rise. You can see that mountain on a clear day, usually in the spring or winter. It's the first mountain that appears on the southern horizon as you drive down from the north. So next time you're driving down, you get by Nan and start to watch the southern horizon, watch for that triangular shaped peak. Because it's 2,000 feet higher than any other mountain around. Most of these mountains average around 8,000. So here we go. Across the lake, you see a cut line running up the mountain there. It's the international border. You guys get excited, but this is my 4th time today. Third. Where's Chief Mountain? Just east of us. Getting back out of the cut view. Chief Mountain. Not yet. Let's watch off to the right. Cut line, you'll see 2 markers here. Not quite yet. Those people. Yeah, the one straight ahead. Isn't that incredible? Very memorable.
Welcome to Montana, USA.
Citadel Peaks. And a great broadside view of that here off to the right. People are all friendly from boat to boat. Yeah. Automobile to automobile, it's not so friendly. What happens? Yeah, if you're buying bottled water in Waterton, you are wasting your money. You're drinking water, you don't know where it's been, how long has it been in that plastic bottle. You don't believe me? Because our tap water is the best on earth. I'll stand here and look at what I got from my thermos. Start drinking tea. Cruise back across the border. I'll put the mic down on you guys. Otherwise, I'll move around. they built that in the 1920s. And the view from the front lobby windows breathtaking. It's the thing where you really want to impress your traveling companion. High tea at 3 p.m. High tea. It's right about now. Treat you like royalty right in front of those windows. You will pay like royalty. Yeah, he's going along. Anybody staying at the Prince of Wales Hotel? Nobody? Have you guys been up there? You don't have to be a registered guest. Just go on up and go on. It's like walking back through time into